Get real hot right now.
Alright, I'm recording it now.
I cannot see you.
Alright, I get you the flashlight.
It just pull down?
Yeah.
Oh, that, bruh, that was easy.
Real easy.
And then sideways, everything?
Yeah, same way you took it out. Make sure it works. Click that button.
Oh! Fuck somebody, mama. Alright, alright. So then I pushed here.
So push it in
And then,
and pry a little bit. Yeah. You gotta go a little more. Get the other side. There you go. So easy.
oh shit, I didn't even.
Now turn that off so you don't burn your finger.
Come on, bitch, get out. I'm tired of you. Oh, got that one. Hey, got the fucking lights. Hey. And then I just.
Now you just slide it in.
Man, I haven't seen you in a while.
I haven't seen you in a minute, dog. Man. Oh shit, this is sexy.
That's dope. Bro, that's dope.
Oh.
Nice. You like them?
And then this one is the same thing?
Now this one you pry it from back here.
Okay.
Between the black plastic and the clear plastic.
So right here?
So right there. Yeah, just try not to.
Oh, okay. Oh, I see it. Bitch, you gonna come out tonight. Oh, ow.
Oh, get in the middle right there.
Oh,
Nice.
oh, bitch, we about to have.
It's gonna be a little hot, so be careful.
Ah!
Told you it's gonna be a little hot. Be careful.
Fuck! That shit. Ah, that shit. Fuck. Oh.
Yeah, it's gonna be a little hot. So
I think I got a glove in the back.
Alright, you're good though. It's
you
cool
need
now.
an oven mitt.
Fuck.
So this one's gonna be a little hard to put in.
All right, this bitch ready to come. I'm gonna just do this. Make my life easier. Oh shit.
Oh, where'd it go?
It's right back.
Oh, I got it. Can I touch it or is it hot?
Ah, you're good.
You good now?
Alright, sideways.
Oh, sideways.
Yeah.
All right. Oh, this is bitch.
This was the hardest one. It should fit. Oh, flip it.
Oh!
Yeah.
Fuck somebody, mama, again. All right.
No.
That's fucking sick. Okay. Oh, okay.
That just slides right in. There you go.
Oh, bitch.
Oh, what happened?
Oh, maybe I.
Maybe it came out.
Oh, that's why. Okay. Maybe gently.
Nice.
Oh, we in here.
Nice.
Oh, we
Yo,
fucking
there we
somebody.
go.
Oh, okay, okay.
And that was light installment for your Honda.
Oh, is there one behind? No.
Now there's one. There's probably one in the trunk, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't have a hatch, so I don't know.
Oh, no, you good. Hey, I appreciate it. I learned. Oh, my God. What year is this again? 14. 14? 2014 SI on bags, you guys. This is fucking crazy. Wow. On bags. Look at this. What the fuck? On bags. Oh, it's real. It's real. I was already like having car porn moments right here, but damn, this is sick. This orange is so fucking sick. Look at this. Fucking bags. Like, what the fuck? Bro, this is a sick ass Civic, man. This is beautiful SI. Beautiful. Wow. Gotta go check the homie now. This is on the fucking Forza game. All the Forza users, you know exactly what that car is. Check this out too. Swag. Woo. Check this out. Oh shit, please don't die. Okay. Oh my god. You got lower too? Oh my gosh. Nice. Check up, bro. Oh yeah. Oh, that's dope. We got the one pipe right here. Oh man, I'm liking it. That's dope. I'm keeping your license plate out of it. Oh my gosh. That's sick. Honda's out here, baby. Oh, let's see. Super sick. And he's the homie, the one with the orange. He's the guy that I bought the red lights from in my car. I'm gonna show you guys the lights, but I bought the lights from him, and it's amazing. So what's up, YouTube? This your boy Richie Rich Mo back at it again. You guys see I installed red lights from right there and in the front. So in this car, everything is red. How red is this, huh?
Very red.
Everything is red. Like, the video is not pulling no justice, but everything's red. Even the dashboard, everything in here looks super awesome. I had to show you guys this video. It's actually dope. The guy in the orange Honda, he ended up telling me after we had a long talk, he said that he honestly wasn't going to come out here. He stays in a couple of cities down, but he said he wasn't even thinking about coming, but something made him come. And it was a blessing that something made him come, because I ended up meeting him, and then I got this awesome mod, and I mod up at the car meet, which was awesome. So it's a blessing, man. It's a blessing. I like these red lights, and I got an extra one of these lights. I don't know where to get these at, you guys, so I don't know where to get them, but I could try to find out. But the light in my trunk is white, so I'm gonna change that tomorrow and make it red. But everything in here red. I'm gonna show you guys around. So if you look, everything is red in here. Like, the camera doesn't do no justice. Everything is red. Red, 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 red. Looking like I'm driving a red mobile, but it's fucking awesome, you guys. But anyways, this video is just showing you guys the new mod I did at the car meet, and plus some awesome shots with the SI Civics. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Have a blessed night. We are out.